If your brain feels like it's running through fog, science says it probably is. You used to be very sharp, but now you forget words mid-sentence. You reread emails, but you are not able to comprehend them. You feel mentally exhausted by noon. This is brain fog. Let me explain what's actually happening. Brain fog isn't a diagnosis. It's a symptom. What it means is that your neurons are not communicating efficiently. Concentration, memory recall, mental speed, they are all impaired. The root causes could be biological, which are more common than ever. Neuroinflammation, mitochondrial dysfunction, blood sugar crashes, and broken gut-brain barrier. Your brain has its own immune cells, microglia. When activated by infection, by poor diet, by toxins, or by systemic inflammation, what happens is they produce inflammatory cytokines inside the brain. This leads to neuroinflammation, which slows your neurotransmission, impairs synaptic plasticity, and literally makes it harder for you to think. This is what depression looks like at the cellular level. Because if you are not making serotonin, you won't feel happy, you won't feel nice, your mood will always be low. So your brain uses 20% of your total body's energy output. That energy comes from the mitochondria. When mitochondria are damaged by oxidative stress, by nutritional deficiencies like CoQ10, alpha-lipoic, L-carnitine, D-ribose, poor sleep or toxins, your brain is literally running low on fuel. And that's why you feel slow, you feel unmotivated, and you feel very exhausted throughout the day. And we have 48 million Alzheimer patients today, and by 2050, this number is going to be 139 million or more. Guys, time to check on insulin resistance is now. Time to reverse it is now, so that we live our life well. Your gut microbiome, it produces neurotransmitters, precursors, it regulates the vagus nerve, and it controls the brain inflammation. Dysbiosis, which means an unbalanced microbiome in your gut, it reduces the production of these critical molecules. An unhealthy gut equals an unhappy, fogged brain. In a state of cognitive decline or chronic stress, the brain also reduces blood flow to the prefrontal cortex, the seat of focus, decision-making, and working memory. Eat for your brain, which means eat omega-3 fatty acids, eat polyphenols, eat leafy greens, stabilize your blood sugar. I tell people that for anti-aging, the first and most important step is to keep your sugar levels between 85 and 135 throughout the day, throughout the night. Reduce refined carbs, reduce sugar, optimize sleep, 7 to 9 hours of good sleep, dark room, consistent schedule of sleeping. Heal your gut, exercise well, and consider checking your Bs, all Bs I would see, your D3, your magnesium, and your thyroid function, in addition to insulin, fasting, and PP, and SHBG. Friends, brain fog is completely reversible. I have seen many patients go from barely functioning to sharp as a tack by addressing these root causes. You deserve to think clearly.
Therapy and counseling is just good generally for us to understand ourselves better and to understand people better, to understand our thoughts, feelings, emotions. And then of course, I think all of that you have to sort of support that with your lifestyle, whether it's your sleep. And I know I keep saying this in every interview and probably just sounds so boring and repetitive, but it's true. Exercise, it could be anything. It could be yoga, it could be going for a walk. It doesn't have to be like, hectic working out in a gym, but being physically active, sunlight, sleep, hydration, nutrition.